Good morning, all of you. Now we are doing chapter number 1, economics, the story of village Palam. Until now, we have discussed about various factors of production, land, labor, and capital. Now, all these factors of production we are doing in Palampur reference. We have already discussed about land, labor, and capital in Palampur also. Now, few activities other than farming. Now we are doing small scale manufacturing in Palampur. When we are talking about Palampur, small scale industries, manufacturing, that in Palampur, less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing. As manufacturing take place, if we are talking about big cities or city towns, that is on a large factories, large capital is required. But in Palampur, manufacturing involves very simple production method and done on a very small scale. Or we can say it is just like cottage industry also. They are carried out mostly at home, that is called land, or in the fields. Again, second factor of production, labor. So they are doing with the help of family members. Rarely laborers hired. So that means in Palampur, manufacturing process is on very small scale, and due to this profit is also very less. Now we are talking about a case study. If you will see this case study, Mishrilal has purchased a mechanical sugarcane crushing machine run on electricity and has set up on his field. Sugarcane crushing was earlier done with the help of bullocks, but people prefer to do it by machines these days. If they are using machine processing process is there, so that is secondary activities also. Mishri Lal also buys sugar cane from other farmers and processes it into jaggery. Jaggery, that is good. The jaggery is then sold to traders at Shahpur, and in this process, Mishri Lal makes a small profit. Now, we will discuss about the case studies and the case study. So now we'll discuss question answers related with the case studies. What capital did Mishrilan need to set up his jaggery manufacturing unit? What capital? Yes, Vartika, are you able to give the answer? You have to raise your hands. Okay. Now give me the answer. Yes. What capital did Mishrilan need to set up his jaggery manufacturing unit? Yes.
He need to set up a sugarcane crushing machine.
I'm asking you, just listen the question. What capital did? First, you just think over capitals, types of capital. Can you tell?
Land, money.
No, 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 not that. Yes, Devansh.
Have physical capital.
Physical capital. Physical capital, but now physical capital is also having two types. In
Have
physical
fixed
capital,
capital.
fixed
Fixed
capital.
fixed capital.
Because whenever he requires jaggery manufacturing unit, that means he require crushing machine, sugarcane crushing machine. That is a fixed capital. Okay, so you have to give your answer like this. And all of you open your cameras. After that, who provides the labor in this case? Who provides the labor in this case? Raise your hands only. Yes, Siddhi.
Ma'am, the farmers who have big plot of land.
Beta, we are talking about that case study which we have already studied. We are talking about Mishri Lal case study. Who provides the labor in this case?
Ma'am, Mishri Lal.
Yeah, definitely Mishri Lal. In the previous portion also we have discussed about that small farmers, same manner when they are engaged in small manufacturing, so automatically labor is provided by themselves or with the family, help of their family members. So Mishri Lal is providing labor to himself. Next, can you guess why Mishri Lal is unable to increase his profit? Yes, Aryan. Why Mishri Lal is unable to increase his profit? Aryan, give me the answer.
Actually, I was unable to raise my hand. Ma'am, because ma'am, he has limited land for farming, so he cannot give more sugarcane input.
Yes, because he has started this small scale manufacturing on a very small scale. If you will do your work on a small scale, automatically your profit will also be less. Could you think of any reasons when he might face a loss? Could you think of any reason when he might face a loss? Yes, Siddhi.
Ma'am, he has small plot of land because of which he cannot grow more sugarcane.
No, beta, we are
And
talking
ma'am,
about
because of financial.
manufacturing. We are talking about manufacturing. We are not talking about the farming. It is related with that. We are asking in that any reason when he might face a loss. Only Aryan. What about others? Yes, Aryan. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, when the sugarcane crushing machine can ma'am get destroyed or ma'am can
Yes.
get damaged.
Yes. When his machine destroyed at that time, he has to face a loss. Okay. And next and the last one is why does Mishri
Excuse me,
Lal?
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can this point become in this question that if people didn't buy his sugar canes or the manufacturing things at that time, he also get lost?
Yeah. But that is another thing we are talking about when he will be having problem in his fixed capital. So how will
Okay,
he
ma'am.
able to sell his goods? Okay. Next is why
Yes, ma'am.
does Mishri Lal sell his jaggery to traders in Shahpur and not in his village? Yes. Why does Mishri Lal? Yes, Devansh.
Ma'am, because in market he will get more profit.
Yes. If you will sell your product in a big city, you will make huge profit. But if you will sell it, yeah, Mishri Lal sell his jaggery in village, so automatically he will get less income. Okay, his profit will be less. Shopkeepers of Palampur. In this way, people involved in trading. Trading means exchange of goods, selling of goods, and that is also called tertiary sector, service sector. In this, no production is going on, but they are just providing their services. In the first process, that is farming, that is primary. In manufacturing, that is secondary sector. And when we are talking about shopkeepers of Palampur or transport, that involves tertiary sector. If we are talking about shopkeepers of Palampur, so there are not many in Palampur. Traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale markets in the cities. As and sell them in the villages as well wherever you are residing in your area. Local shopkeepers are doing this type of work. I think you all are aware about it. And that is
Yes,
small
ma'am.
general stores in the village selling a wide range of items. They're selling each and everything because that is just like a nowadays we can say malls. In malls you will get each and everything. In villages also, that small shops are having all the goods, whether it is related with food items, it is related with eatables, notebooks, even some type of clothes also. So these general stores, these small shops in the village selling a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits, soap, toothpaste, candles, notebooks, even some clothes also. A few of the families whose houses are close to the bus stand, or normally these shops are nearby bus stand, and some part of the shop they are using for eatables. Okay. And now again there is a case study. Siddhi, will you read that case study?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start it.
Kishora is a farmer labor. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Karim has opened a computer class center in the village. In recent years, a large number of students have been attending college in Shahapur town. Karim found that a number of students from the village are also attending computer classes in the town. There were women in the village who had a degree in computer applications. He decided to employ them. He bought computers and set up the classes in the front room of their house overlooking the market. High school students have started attending them in good numbers.
So now, if we will talk about the question answer of this case study, you just see in what ways is Kareem's capital and labor different from Mishrilal? Can anyone tell me about what is the
Ma'am, can
difference
I?
between Kareem's capital and labor? If we are talking about first capital, Kareem capital and Mishrilal capitals.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Kareem's capital is computers and Ma'am Mishilal has Ma'am
Ma'am, Kareem's
sugarcane.
capital is fixed capital.
Okay.
Ma'am, because of
But
computers.
Mishrilal also require working capital because he has to buy sugar cane from other
Sugar
farmers
canes.
also. So if we are talking about Mishrilal case, he is having fixed as well as working capital. But in Kareem's case, he is having fixed capital only. And when we are talking about labor, so what type of
But
labor? What is the difference
ma'am,
between labor, Kareem's and Mishrilal?
Can I tell?
Yes, beta.
ma'am,
1 minute,
Ma'am,
Aaron, हाँ.
Mishri,
बोलो सिद्धि. Yes, Siddhi.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Mishri Lal have a labor who do farming, and
No, no,
Kareem
no,
have
no.
labor who
I
are
have given,
educated.
I told you the words, exact word. If we have to speak only in one word, that is Mishri Lal is having unskilled labor and Kareem
Okay, ma'am.
requires skilled labor.
Skilled labor.
Okay, that is a IT
Yes, ma'am.
sector. Okay, that is a skilled labor. Now this is the last topic of the chapter, transport, a
excuse
fast
me, ma'am, I have
developing
a
sector.
quite first question.
Now, transport, a fast developing sector. Nowadays, we can easily understand the importance of transport. So when we are talking about transport in Palampur, variety of vehicles on the road which connects Palampur to Raiganj, that is rickshawalas, tongowalas, jeep, tractor, truck drivers, and people driving the traditional bullock cart and bogie are also engaged in transport services. And these transport, these transport, they take people and goods from one place to another, and in return, what they are getting, that is money, that is income.
Money, capital.
Yeah, not in this reference, we will use money or wages, income. The number of people
Okay.
involved in transport has grown over the last several years. Okay, so now our chapter is completed.